Do you want to start an online business selling virtual cards? For this you must create professional website. In this video I will share with you the premium source code for creating a virtual card selling website. You can create a wonderful online virtual card selling website like this using this premium source code. You can show the features of important cards on the homepage. You can also see the top card selling lists on the homepage. These feature sections will be very attractive to your website visitors and members. Yes, you are getting very powerful admin panel to manage this website. In this admin panel you get all kinds of features and functionalities to manage the website. You can create categories and subcategories for each virtual card. You can add and sell unlimited virtual cards on the website. For this you have to add the virtual card information here step by step. You can also manage the account of each user of the website step by step. And we can control the user deposit section of the website. We are getting all kinds of features to control the deposit section. You can also customize important functionalities on the website in the system settings section. For example, here we can add many automatic international payment methods. Also, we can create any type of payment method as per our requirement. For this, you have to submit the information of your preferred payment methods here. Also, any new users can create account on your website. I will now introduce you to the user dashboard panel by logging into the account. Now you can see the dashboard panel of a new user account. Here users can view their account balance and number of card purchases and transaction history. And users can see the information of each of their virtual cards. Also users can easily deposit into their account. So let us now learn step by step how to create a virtual card selling website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create virtual cards selling website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish virtual card selling website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to set permissions on some folders. So now we will learn how to add permissions to fields. For this you have to follow this video step by step. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database to website. For this you have to follow this video step by step. Now we have to submit the admin login information. Then we have to click on the Install Now button. Now we must delete the install folder. Then we need to do the purchase verification. For this we have to submit the purchase information here. Then we have to click on the Activate Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. Now we can easily customize the design and features of the website by logging into the admin panel. Because we already know that we can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel. So you should study the features section of the admin panel without delay. Or if you can't customize the website or don't understand anything about the admin panel, please contact us. We will help you how to customize the website and we will explain the admin panel in detail. In this video we learn how to create a virtual card selling website. If you have any questions about this video then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you want to see our next videos then definitely subscribe our channel.